Is your Zafira Tourer's alarm constantly going off? The most common culprits are faulty door contacts and the bonnet switch. These components, especially in older models from 2005 to 2019, are prone to corrosion and wear. Start by visually inspecting the door contacts for corrosion or misalignment. Clean them with electrical contact cleaner. Next, check the bonnet switch, located under the bonnet latch, for damage or water ingress. A simple multimeter test can confirm if these switches are functioning correctly. They should show near zero resistance when closed and infinite resistance when open. Replacing these parts is often a straightforward DIY fix, with generic microswitches available at reasonable prices. Addressing these hardware issues resolves the alarm problem in many cases. If the door contacts and bonnet switch are functioning correctly, the alarm issue might stem from the ECU, the electronic control unit. Sometimes the ECU learns false patterns, necessitating a reset. Try cycling the ignition or using the key fob to reset the system. Insert the key in the driver's door, turn it twice, then press the lock button. For more persistent issues, consider using an OBD2 scanner to read ECU codes, which can pinpoint the problem area. If DIY methods fail, seek professional diagnostics, as wiring shorts or deeper ECU glitches might be the cause. Note that Vauxhall has released unofficial patches via dealerships for some post-2015 models, addressing ECU glitches that mimic false alarms. If you're not comfortable with electrical work, consult a qualified mechanic to avoid further damage.